Types of digital marketing. Digital marketing. There are as many specializations within digital marketing as there are ways of interacting using digital media. Here are a few key examples. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is technically a marketing tool rather than a form of marketing in itself. The Balance defines it as the art and science of making web pages attractive to search engines. The art and science part of SEO is what's most important. SEO is a science because it requires you to research and weigh different contributing factors to achieve the highest possible ranking. Today, the most important elements to consider when optimizing the web page include: quality of content, level of user engagement, mobile friendliness, number and quality of inbound links. The strategic use of these factors makes SEO a science, but the unpredictability involved makes it an art. In SEO, there's no quantifiable rubric or consistent rule for ranking highly. Google changes its algorithm almost constantly, so it's impossible to make exact predictions. What you can do is closely monitor your page's performance and make adjustments accordingly. Content marketing. SEO is a major factor in content marketing, a strategy based on the distribution of relevant and valuable content to a target audience. As in any marketing strategy, the goal of content marketing is to attract leads that ultimately convert into customers. But it does so differently than traditional advertising. Instead of enticing prospects with potential value from a product or service, it offers value for free in the form of written material. Content marketing matters, and there are plenty of stats to prove it. 84% of consumers expect companies to produce entertaining and helpful content experiences. 62% of companies that have at least 5,000 employees produce content daily. 92% of marketers believe that their company values content as an important asset. As effective as content marketing is, it can be tricky. Content marketing writers need to be able to rank highly in search engine results while also engaging people who will read the material, share it, and interact further with the brand. When the content is relevant, it can establish strong relationships throughout the pipeline. Social media marketing. Social media marketing means driving traffic and brand awareness by engaging people in discussion online. The most popular platforms for social media marketing are Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, with LinkedIn and YouTube not far behind. Because social media marketing involves active audience participation, it has become a popular way of getting attention. It's the most popular content medium for B2C marketers at 96%, and it's gaining ground in the B2B sphere as well. According to the Content Marketing Institute, 61% of B2B content marketers increased their use of social media this year. Social media marketing offers built-in engagement metrics, which are extremely useful in helping you to understand how well you're reaching your audience. You get to decide which types of interactions mean the most to you, whether that means the number of shares, comments, or total clicks to your website. Direct purchase may not even be a goal of your social media marketing strategy. Many brands use social media marketing to start dialogues with audiences rather than encourage them to spend money right away. This is especially common in brands that target older audiences or offer products and services not appropriate for impulse buys. It all depends on your company's goals. To learn more about how MailChimp can help with your social media strategy, check out the comparison of our free social media management tools versus others. Pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is posting an ad on a platform and paying every time someone clicks on it. How and when people see your ad is a bit more complicated. When a spot is available on a search engine results page, also known as a SERP, the engine fills the spot with what is essentially an instant auction. An algorithm prioritizes each available ad based on a number of factors, including ad quality, keyword relevance, landing page quality, Each PPC campaign has one or more target actions that viewers are meant to complete after clicking an ad. These actions are known as conversions, and they can be transactional or non-transactional,